been a hotel si no here na Mali here now. And where hotel ga happy nothing less than maybe 100 or 150 Nigeria Igbo girls. Omaji. Ha never have quick abashago. Omaka the under 20 years. When Maka the under 20 years. Ha no there. No matter the age mother no there. Always hard to a job here Manandibo. And the whole get him on that now. Omaji don't ha. Most of them have one idea. Na ana chekwata heba for prostitution. Some of them hammer. Some of them will care money meet here. The trafficker meet here. Hand and agent in Nigeria there. They have a lot of agents now. So I want an agent for her. We can say Aga Pogaha Obodo Yubo. And we can say Aga Spain, Aga Pogaha Germany, Aga Pogaha. In fact, mention her western this thing, part of the world. Go and never catch your giga. I put from Nigeria. Failing to know that na opposition catch your iti hanime and Papa na Popo Hana Hagafe, Igmata Hamali here, Mobokina. I drop on that area. So Omaji boy na Tafu. Ataziafufu. Onya Pomatereba, season Haga, we had a Guaha 1,700,000 sifa. I had a Guaha, no Higa or Hagaku. For the beer, I put Hagana Narusheba, Doishi, Hagadushi, Haga also Haga Hem escape, or the how could you go? 1,700,000 sifa, I don't want to I'm like a calculator of my talking about they are talking about 3.something million naira. Yes, going to 4 million naira. My calculator with the current exchange. So here I got Omaka, I got balance. I got more than one water, I got Quagrico, whatever return balance. So I so many freedom. By then, no way, ya watch your conditions, I got Bogote or get the Sifu. So many Shinishibaro, him did a queer here. On your one why, you can't do your Vuma, monitor closely. Montana closely. Macam did a go. I got tired, no heba. I'm a manole. Men arrest here. I'm a women arrest. Papa, I'm a conyo lemon arrest here. Rescue the girl. I send her to Nigerian embassy. I fight to have to take the girl home. But to let you discover, Manoleke matter. I quit for Maloleke matter hand into that condition. That is the problem. And when we hand a you can't open matter and explain or tell somebody. Like we hear a Gabiganime. Yauna Eban Aristana and Apohaga. How do you see there? So here maybe go. I got a guy to hotel most every time. Can negotiate what about him again? Chocolate is nearly square. The Nigerian embassy nowhere not here. How do I go so how tired? And how is as a composer now? I'm out the representative embassy. My here embassy in Agabiga, ambassador in Agabiga. I've been platforms. I bet by Kuku, can they send there? Can they create awareness? Can they Nigeria now? My him again. Magada mama because who come new? If you here now, most of you in the hotels this area, Undolo, or Logiri here. My base went to her, or Logiri here. Homage. So people so mom now, my one doing dick as I'm talking now, when you all rescue no come knock as I'm talking now. Onyomana rescue. Now bon dick rescue the other time, one I'm rescue send out to embassy. Akwifugo. My agent we here, bo. I know Abasha na different platforms. I don't know when na platforms ndolo, and when platform ndolo no a push information on platform ndolo. Any platform na Igbo because although Igbo, a number of Igbo, every part of Igbo. So any platform in my platform Igbo, push it there. Kahana do now why create awareness, I want him again, I want him menu. Maki here be the rampart since year 2022, or be the rampart. Since Oba of Bini, before the Bini, Kama, name that kind of something. So Oba of Bini, but I quote, only Fogoro, no other Bomwa Bini, Pop outside, no only with the image, no other brand me, Bomwa Bini, Popia, from ala Benin ka ọ bịa mee ihe dị otu ahụ na onye ọha ọ ga-anwụ. So ọba Benin bụ abụọ ndị na-eme ọdị ihe ha ọnụ since a bụrụ ha ọnụ enwe sọ ndị Benin tried ya that year and ha niile nwụrụ anwụ since ndị Benin agbazi ọsọ ha ndị aga n'ala Benin akpụzi ọdịnala Igbo anyị ka ha na-abịazi n'ala Igbo ka ha abịazi ala Igbo wụ ọhịa onye ọbụla nwe onweghị kọntrol ọwụ ka anyị kwuo ebe ka onwe ihe asị that na onwe ihe karịa ihe mmadụ ji ọnụ ya kwuo ya na ikwupụta amasịzi onye onye mee ya amasịkwa na ya hapụ ime but already came na God will bear me witness that I have tried to spread the gospel. Akwefugo, God can never hold me this into tomorrow. Is that the man and woman are ezim dozi asimzie. So here's go me and this have bothered me since 2 weeks ago. I must force it out. So because no omunem no omunam ndi so boro onwem no ndị sobu nwe m no biko na asị m okwu a mmemme kind of evangelism na-preach ụmụ ndị nwaanyị na-agwa na ha na onwe ihe ha na-apụta aside ha ga-aghọchata ihe ndị asị onye na-aga obodo oyibo ya gafere ime akwụkwọ na Naịjirịa ga-ji plane ga ebe na-aga don't put your head anywhere ịbịakwa ebe beta afụ ke na-abịa ha beta ya come here to suffer ya so nwere ike before ị na-emegide ọdị ihe emete such money kwụọ data ụgwọ ihe hụ that you be know where to find again ya ma aha gụzi ahụ epụgwa na mmadụ so ndị na-akpụta ndị ebe a Nigeria embassy ya na-achọ ha chọchisi ike m ga-abụ ihe ọda about 89 in prison now na Mali ndị na all these traffickers ihe na-akpọ traffickers about 89 now no prison na Mali had 10 years imprisonment, but had many. How who as the only way of making easy money. So Bikono, ask him that na ayaga ha dambani here. Ikaga ha wa ina ya. I get you can na alokwa. At the end of the day, we must conquer, whether they like it or not. We must conquer. But I know to compromise because how like that kind of something due to hand with the free money on it. Due to Gondi and Nyaha. Akwefugo. So I want the Igbo, I want the Nigeria to fight to see that now thereby stop that kind of life. Always you're going to hear the hard in Nigeria now, but it cannot remain. Okay, with time it will pass. What matters in this life, in this life, your image matters a lot. And how here paint image black. A paint image black. I want the Nigeria want the Igbo. They are painting our image black. So because our reputation matters a lot. Because when you're jishinike, or jishinike, can preach here, where I can preach here. Are possible? I got teachers on the National School, Honey Kuya Soku, never more much in there. Hana did to get. I got him again. I look at him many. You have another pattern. Ejukwe, Nakota. Then I thought we're here, Mandan we're here. Some of the guests now we're here. Oh, we came with the other now. Oh, we live in the hotel when didn't know where money. Hey, live there. Some of them now here lost their life. So because Asamu, kind men kaka Chineke no nyina not to Nanya no here no here nabali. Asamu so is so borai, Udogachi. I got auto wine. Chineke any ogologo nazi hisi Kenya mamia. Mike, I won't wine because the most important to love. I will love wine. When we love ourselves, I believe that now all got very difficult for enemy. He penetrate enemy so. As Mudo, she got Chalanda and Nana Jesus Christ.